What is going on YouTube? Salt Life Kid here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going dirt biking with my friend and his dad. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to ride down some dirt roads, down some trails, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get into the video. Crazy back there.
In the dirt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think it was sand.
Yeah, I almost just fell.
Me too. I saw you. Guys, I had a lot of fun today riding down dirt roads with my friend and his dad. It was a blast. But please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.